Hi there, I'm Beau Miller, I'm from Beautique Realty, and today I'm in Springfield Lakes. I'm at 17 Parkview Drive, and yes, it is raining. So I'm going to get you inside really quickly. We've got a 2-bedroom home. It has 1 bathroom, a single garage, and it's on quite a leafy street in an established section of Springfield Lakes. So there's parks around, but if you have a look at the area, it's in an amazing spot close to the lake. It's in very popular school catchment area as well. You're in the Springfield State Primary School, which is always really popular for people in the area. So you can see security screens throughout. Now it is a 2-bedroom, but it's got quite expansive living area in this front section here. Set up as a toy room at the moment, but it's actually really good for a child's play or study, I would say. This is your open plan kitchen and living area. And the kitchen's got gas cooking and dishwasher. Perfect spot there for the TV, tucked away. Here's your outdoor living space. There is a retaining wall at the back. It had some huge palm trees in there, so the current owner has actually removed those and poisoned them just to keep your retaining wall intact. So this is your master bedroom off this side, so it has got access straight out to your outdoor area. Master bedrooms got the triple wardrobe. We call this a 2-way bathroom, but the great thing about this one, it's got shower over bath, but the vanity and the toilet are separate, so quite convenient. They're not all in the same room, which is really good. You've got, I'll take you down the stairs. So you saw the garage was at a lower level here. Electric garage, and you do have room in the driveway for another car. Laundry. And here's your clothesline and water tank. So your water tank feeds your toilets and your laundry. If I pop back upstairs, I have missed one room, which is bedroom number 2. So really good size, double wardrobe space there. So being the location that it is and the type of property it is, I have rental appraised this one at $410 per week. We have very low vacancy rates at the moment, under 1%. So we're asking offers over $439,000 for this property. And if you are in the market right now to purchase a home or an investment, perfect starter in the middle of Greater Springfield, we would love to hear from you. So I look forward to speaking to you soon. Beau from Beautique Realty, 0411 439 437.